When you need a large metal fabricated kiosk, or maybe a custom-made freestanding vacuum unit for a car wash, or maybe you just need one single part fabricated from metal, then look to TPI.
For 32 years, we have been specializing in sheet metal fabrication and CNC machining. So here at TPI, we strive for manufacturing excellence. What TPI values is number one, communication, quality, and partnerships. That's why everything we make is made in the USA.
Everything is bigger in Texas, especially customer service. Here's Chris to explain.
Hi, my name is Chris Sellers. I work for TPI, Telecom Products Incorporated, and we're a full machine shop and sheet metal shop. We service customers all over the United States. Yes, we have capacity. We are a full service job shop for everybody. So we look for OEMs, contract manufacturing, everything. So on the CNC aspect, a lot of our packages that we get on sheet metal, they also come with machine parts. So we want to offer our customers a full complement between machining and sheet metal work. So at TPI, we are a full laser shop. We have laser punch combos and 3 other fiber lasers. On our press brakes, we have Safran Darley and we have Trump press brakes that have multiple axis. Our engineers are very involved with our customers when it has to deal with design. A lot of things that come in on all of our cabinets, some of them it is not manufacturable and they have to go in and redesign some of the flanges and some of the hardware insert parts and things like that. So yes, our engineering team is very involved with customers. Our goal is to save you money. That's why we're so stringent when we look at these tolerances to make sure that they are going to be manufacturable. One of the things that we do to make parts very cost effective for the customer is we've heavily invested in robotic welding and robotic forming, which helps drive down cost and it increases productivity. So when it comes to quantity, a lot of shops only like to have, large quantities, and then other shops only like to have small. Since we're very diverse in the industries that we serve, we have dabble in both. So if you have a prototype, we're going to be able to do that work. If you have large volume, we're going to be able to make that happen for you also. We specialize in security, we specialize in agriculture, we specialize in transportation, we specialize in also aerospace. We're a very diverse company. So we are certified, right now we are ISO 9001 and AS9100 Rev D. We just got recertified. Key to what we deal with and what our team is communication. That's the expectation that drives our business, is being able to communicate to the customer effectively on lead times, on what can we manufacture versus what we can't manufacture. We work off cost, we never work off price. So everything that we deal with on all of our work centers, if it's work, when it has to come with engineering all the way to powder coating, it's all cost based. And that's how we quote jobs, on what is it going to cost us and how we can effectively make it for you guys. And that's realistically what the difference is the fact that we have, I would say, 500 to 600 years of experience within our shop on programming, on engineering and forming and braking. So and realistically, that's what separates a lot of us from these other shops, because we have a lot of legacy employees.
If you want to meet more companies like this, visit partgurus.com.